How do I prevent cross-contamination at a pop-up drink stand? You prevent cross-contamination by keeping separate tools, cloths, and containers for raw ingredients like fruit and dairy, sanitizing your hands and surfaces constantly, and never letting used cups, straws, or ice scoops touch anything that hasn't been cleaned first. Cross-contamination happens when tiny bits of one ingredient, or even germs from your hands, sneak into another drink without anyone noticing. Think of it like invisible glitter. Once it spreads, you can't see it, but it's everywhere. A big thing most people don't think about is your ice. Ice is actually treated as a food item by health inspectors, which means the scoop you use for it should never double as a stirring spoon or touch the counter. Another sneaky spot is your garnish station, since lemons, mint, or berries get touched by bare hands more than anything else on your cart. Always use tongs or gloves there instead of fingers. Color-coding your cutting boards and cloths by ingredient type, like one for citrus and one for dairy, is a trick professional kitchens use that most small stands never bother with, but it makes a huge difference. One common mistake is wiping your hands on the same towel used for the counter, which just moves germs around instead of removing them, so keep a separate towel just for hand drying. Another issue is reusing the same blender or shaker without a full rinse between different milk-based and non-dairy drinks, which can trigger allergic reactions, so always do a quick full rinse, not just a wipe, between switches. Lastly, storing raw fruit near finished drinks in your cooler is asking for trouble, so keep raw ingredients on a lower shelf, away from anything ready to serve. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.